My name is Jens Corijn. I'm project manager here at Inex for the Krones line. Inex is a family-owned dairy company. We do a lot of dairy products, so going from plain milk to all flavored types of milk, also yogurt and everything like that. So when we started looking for a new PET line, the big important thing of the project was that we do not have a lot of space to place in the new line. We had to move another line and other parts of warehouses just to make this line possible. So a big advantage of the AseptBloc from Krones is that it's very compact. It's all standing quite close together, so we win a lot of space there. I'm quite happy with the cooperation of Krones because the communication was quite open, very good. We discussed everything up front. Then when the commissioning happened, also the communication with the acceptance team, the installation team was very good. They asked our opinions about the placing of operator screens, stuff like that. Also a very important given fact was the timing of the line. We are obligated to go to the tethered caps, so the caps that were attached to the bottle. Therefore, we needed a line to start running before the deadline of Europe. So there Krones also helped us to get this timing perfectly right. The line we now installed is a very flexible line. We do a lot of different type of packaging. So we go from 6 bottles in a container up to 18 bottles in a container. We go from just plain wraparound plastic to carton wraparound, even wraparound plastic with a carton box underneath it.